Copilot. But anyway, let's get on with the demos. So I'm going to start with the HR exec. Yep. Now the HR exec has been tasked with creating a job spec for a new role that's opened up within the organization for in the sales department, internal salesperson. It's an SDR. Sorry, I should have, let me just come out of that, close that. Let me just not jump around. You can see the Copilot logo there. Yeah, that's what I just clicked on. There's also in the ribbon up the top right-hand corner, you've got there. I do most of my heavy lifting within the document itself, and that's why I clicked on that icon there. This is where I enter my prompt, which I just did. So let me just paste that in there. Yeah. Now, we talk about prompts, exactly the same language and exactly what it is, what we do in ChatGPT. We feed ChatGPT with prompts. Exactly the same occurs with Copilot. And here's the prompt. Draft a job post for the position of sales development rep and SDR, will be a member of the internal sales team and will be focused on outbound prospecting and booking meetings for us external sales professionals. So I'm going to click on the generate button. It's going to take a moment or so because it's doing a lot of heavy lifting for us, creating a job spec for us. This is a live demo, so it does take a little bit of time. Just quick though. Here we go. So what have we got? It's working on. Let me just start looking at this. Join our internal sales team and help us grow our customer base. As an SDR, you'll be responsible for identifying and qualifying new leads. Absolutely, for the sales team. You'll use various channels such as email, phone, social media, etc. Blah 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 about you. You'll have 1 year's experience. You'll have CRM experience of what we offer. Fantastic. Yeah, and who do you apply to? So nice little job. Now, the beauty of this is, I should have said up front, there's nothing worse than having, you've got a task. Yeah, you've got a new task on your to-do list, and you stand on a blank screen. Where do I start? It's always that getting over that hump. With Copilot, bang, it's created from scratch this job post for me, and I can edit it and tweak it and so on. Yeah. Now, something else I want to tweak with, because I've just been told by the head of internal sales what the salary package is, and also a little bit about where they'll be working from. It'll be a hybrid role. You can see it there. 2 days in the office, 3 days working from home. And finally, any candidates interested should send their CVs to mark.flynn@computerc.co.uk. Okay, so let's update that job specification with that data. And what Copilot does, it goes off and completely regenerates that job post with the extra information I've just given it. Bang, here we go. About the role, absolutely what they do. You report the sales development manager and track your so on. Excellent. What we offer, here we go. This is the extra information I put in there. A complete salary package, 33K basic, 55K on target, and a flexible and hybrid work environment with the option of working from our office 2 days and from home 3 days. How do I apply? Send your CVs to uncovering letter to Mark Flynn. There you are at the bottom. Fantastic. Now, I think that's really good. I'm going to keep that. Boom. Now I can send that off to my colleagues and ask them to start tweaking it a little bit. And I've got a great little start there. Save me oodles of time.